Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. How many times have you forgotten to take out dinner and then panicked or had to buy takeout? You don't have to thanks to this incredible tray from BLAZIN THAW. This is a defrosting tray that will really bring your meat to room temp, ready to cook every time. The tray itself is 12 by 8 and it's made with an aluminum alloy that pulls heat from around your kitchen into the meat to let it defrost super easily. I really like that as the meat is defrosting, it doesn't start to look brown or scary in any way, but rather it defrosts perfectly every time. Even when making shrimp, I took it out super last minute and within half an hour it was thawed. The tray is truly amazing because without having to submerge in water or without electricity or a battery, the tray really does all of the work for me. So if you're looking for a fast and efficient way to be able to feed your family without having to run out to buy an expensive meal, check out this awesome tray. You'll find that it works well even with vegetables or any type of meat so that you can quickly get ready and start prepping for your meals. But that's just my point of view.